In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can remove microphone static in OBS. Now, to get it started, you want to head over to your OBS right here. You then want to click on the three dots on your microphone or AXU, and then you want to click on filters. Click on the plus icon, and basically we have multiple options to choose from, which is the noise gate and the noise suppression. If you don't know what the noise gate is, basically with this one, it will get rid of some audio gate, maybe something like negative 20 decibels or something like that, and it will only register the ones that is loud or the ones that you have suppressed. So for example, if you click on your noise gate right here, click on OK. With this one, it will close the threshold at negative 32 decibels and it will open it up on the negative 26. Basically, I want to open mine around somewhere between negative 18, so it will cancel everything out from there, and I want to close it somewhere between negative 23. Now you can customize this however you want to, because we have different static noises, and then you can just click on the close button. The other thing that we need to apply is the noise suppression. So once again, head over to filters, click on plus, and then we have noise suppression. Click OK. We have the first one, which is specs, low CPU usage, low quality, and we have the RNN noise, good quality but more CPU usage. You can just customize or navigate, select these options right here and see what works best in your situation. From there, you will be able to get rid of some microphone static in OBS. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.